Hey guys, it's Rick. So today we're going to be doing a quick install and overview on the Saddlemen Step Up. As you can see here, I already have it installed on my 2020 Harley-Davidson Street Bob. And dude, I love this seat. It is super comfortable. I've only got about 200 miles on the seat so far, but I mean, dude, the thing locks you in. You don't feel sore at the end of a ride, and typically I ride for about 30 to 45 minutes depending on where I'm going. And then if I'm going on longer treks, I typically go for about an hour or an hour and a half, however long my rear end can handle. So this seat itself, it's pretty easy to install. The Saddlemen step-up seat typically comes with the little hook up here rotated on the inside. So you just have to undo the little Allen head screws, flip it out, and then relocate the thumb screw hole. So, and really to do that, there's just a little collar that just pops right out of it. You're going to pop that collar out. The female portion of the thumb screw is going to fall out and fall onto the ground. You can just go ahead and pick that up. And then when it comes to the black plastic tab, you're just going to reach on the inside. You're going to pinch. It's going to pop out. And then you can just kind of put that one back in the original spot where the previous seat was sitting at. To put the female portion of the thumb screw back in, you just kind of reach in with the thumb screw in hand. You push it up through. There should be a little nipple that's going to line up just with the hole itself, and then you're going to slide the collar on. Once that collar's on, it's good. You don't have to mess with it from the inside anymore. It comes with this nice black rubber gasket. It's going to keep your tank from getting scratched up. Especially with seats like these, and I know with the Lapera step-up seat, I had that issue with my Sportster, where over time, from even though it was like sandwiched in there, over time it would start to shift a little bit, and then it would cause a little bit of scratches there, which is not great. So yeah, that's the seat. It's a pretty simple install. It is a solid seat, well worth the money. I think it's one of those things where it kind of sucks to spend $400 or $500 on a seat, but you're gonna notice the difference. It's a quality product, and dude, I definitely suggest it if you're looking to upgrade a seat. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment below, let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.